shoes in general now, I don't like laces. I really don't like laces now. Hey everyone, so just want to do a quick video. It is raining here, and if you want to know where I am in Cebu. Currently I'm at an Airbnb because we're going to be setting up our house soon here. But just want to do a quick review on, man, it's raining hard. Want to do a quick review on the new shoes that I purchased from Skechers. I believe the model is Ralvin, and let me just hop in because I'm about to get wet soon. I just wanted to let you know, like me, particularly now, I have back issues. I really need to lose weight, probably at 50 pounds. So I'm trying my best to do that every day. Control my diet and everything. But with that said, it puts a lot of pressure on my heels. When the weight comes off, it'll be a lot better. Shoes in general now, I don't like laces. I really don't like laces now. I just want to slip on and go. So when I've been seeing a few brands out there, and I just happen to be walking in Ayala Mall, I guess the Block Mall here in IT Park, and I saw them and I'm like, you know what, I've been looking to get this type of shoe for a while, and I know Skechers is really big on, like, you know, cushions and gel, and I've had Skechers before, so I said, let me try this out. Now I wanted to get a shoe that was a bit more business casual, so I believe these are a good fit, as you can see from the pictures. It looks like what are those, penny loafer style shoes, but generally speaking, the fit and feel are very good. I had to get one size up. These are 11. I know they're gonna stretch a bit, but I usually wear 10 and a half, but these particular ones I wear 11. They are breathable. They look pretty classy. They have like a twill type of look. Basically, as you can see in the video, you don't even have to bend down anymore. Just gotta slip on and, you know, put your foot in there and it slides in. This portion right here, this is their pillow, their heel pillow. It's actually pretty good. It holds it, doesn't like flop in. It's actually, I don't know if this is proprietary to Skechers, but definitely helps a lot slip in and slip out. So I guess you won't feel too hot in here. It has a Goga mat, which is pretty much their arch support for Skechers. Outside of that, everything is flexible here. Everything's pretty flexible here. This is all breathable. It feels like twill. I love the color combinations. I mean, I've been putting the shoe on for about 3 days now. It feels really great. Super light on, you know, just walking around. And to be honest with you, I'm not really into sports shoes anymore. I like wearing comfortable shoes. It just so happens Skechers might be the one. I do know there's a brand out there, I forgot the name of it, it escapes me right now. It's really good for back problems. I really gotta get that, but generally speaking, I'm doing everything I can now to just be comfortable. That's literally what I'm after, just being comfortable. Like, I think, how much were these today? 5,500? Yeah. I'm sorry, they're a bit over $100. I can give you a long-term review on how they feel over time, but at the present moment right now, I really feel that it's a good purchase. So pretty much goes with all my dress things, because I really wanted a business casual shoe. I also purchased another one that was more going out, so I'll put those on as well for you guys to look at. So these are the Go Walk Arch Fit. These are the Go Walk Arch Fit shoes. These are a bit more casual, I would say. You can see right there. Today I'm gonna go out. I'm just finishing the video on these ones right here. I'll be wearing these today. I'll give you a quick, video about this as well. But if you're looking for a bit more going out casual, nothing too business looking, this might be the shoe for you. Now these are the Go Walk Arch Fits. Take care, God bless. Check out these particular ones at your Skechers store. I'll put the links down below as well to their website. And I'll see you guys soon.